Alright, so we found this pipe. It stretches on for miles. Listen to how it sounds when you yell into it. Hello!
Magic? No. Origami. At first glance you might think that this is 2 pieces of paper, but it's actually just 1.
Get out now!
So my mom got these cups that don't break. Look. Oops. What the hell? That's actually really cool. Oops. That's really cool.
Oh, buddy. You don't have to be scared. Hey. Look. It's a tree. You not interested in it? Oh, that is so cute. But I'm trying to let you go. Unless you're not interested. I'll let him sleep inside for a little while longer.
Hey, what's you? You trying to hang out? And that's on separation and anxiety of a hamster. Please don't poop them in.
So instead of being in bed at 2 in the morning, I decided to go through my entire area and give people's cars faces. What do y'all think?
Behold, a table that appears to be floating because it's 2 separate solid pieces connected with string. It's supported by opposing tension forces here and on the other 3 strings, and it can even support large objects such as an iPad.
Where is she? Hey, bud, you either have to duck or jump. So you have to duck, or you're already down there. Now you have to get up. You have to jump. You have to jump, or that happens. Okay, now you have to duck. So you're already no duck. Okay, now it's time to go.
I hope it made more sense. Okay, so you have something. Okay, Professor, go ahead. Type your question. What is it? Of course you can go to the bathroom. Yes, you can.
Making my way back home, been a long day, time to see my fluffy dog. Alright guys, it's time to go release my new pet fish. Let's put him in. Bye buddy. Oh no, oh my god, what the, no, oh my god, wait, no, run buddy, run, you're safe. Oh my god, he's over here, he's over there. Oh my god, what the heck?